Moderna has sought regulatory approval for its COVID vaccine in India. That's what NDTV has learned from sources, while Cipla has applied for import and marketing authorization of the jabs. More details are awaited and no timeline is currently available. Earlier we spoke to NDTV Sukirti for more details.
Well, yes, what we are learning from sources at this moment is that Moderna has sought a regulatory approval from the Indian drug regulator for their vaccines in India. And as far as the storage, transportation, distribution of the vaccine is concerned, that is likely to be handled by the pharmaceutical company Cipla. It's a multinational pharmaceutical company. It has its headquarters in Mumbai. So Cipla has submitted this application yesterday to the Drug Controller General of India. This could be a big boost to India's vaccination drive, considering we already have two vaccines that are already in use in India, that is Covaxin and Covishield, and also Sputnik, which was approved recently, and in some parts of India it is in use. So three vaccines are what we already have, and this could end up being India's fourth vaccine. How feasible would it be for India? It needs a storage at -20 degrees. It's not very easy to transport it in comparison to the other vaccines that we already have. But from what we have reported on ground, the storage facilities at the international airports in India, many of these airports have -20 degrees storage, and many of the more modernized, more super specialty hospitals will also be easily able to handle -20 degrees storage. So in comparison to the other vaccines, transportation could be slightly more difficult, but still -20 degrees is manageable compared to the kind of -70 degrees that Pfizer would have required had Pfizer applied for it. So in Moderna's case, transportation and distribution relatively easy. As of now, we are still awaiting an approval from the drug regulator of India, but as per the revised policy of the Indian drug regulator, any international companies that apply for regulatory approvals, any companies that seek permissions to import or for market authorization, those applications are likely to be cleared in a 3-day time span. That was the revised policy of the Indian drug regulator in order to accelerate vaccine approvals in India until, of course, we saw previous examples of Sputnik, which took over 2 months for approval. That is not going to be the scenario with Moderna, and we are likely to see an approval for it very soon. It had applied for the regulatory approval yesterday, so we are likely to see that in the next anywhere between 24 to 48 hours. We could see that coming, but we do not have absolute clarity on that at the moment. But a much speedier process is likely for Moderna, and would be definitely a big boost to India's vaccination drive.